5 significant events in world history that occurred on March 6, 1836. The Battle of the Alamo ends. The Battle of the Alamo in Texas ended with a victory for the Mexican forces led by General Santa Anna over the Texian defenders. The fall of the Alamo became a rallying cry for Texas independence, with a famous slogan, "Remember the Alamo," inspiring further resistance. 1857, the Dred Scott decision. The U.S. Supreme Court issued its infamous decision in Dred Scott v. Sanford. The court ruled that African Americans, whether free or enslaved, could not be considered U.S. citizens and that Congress had no authority to prohibit slavery in federal territories. This decision contributed to tensions leading up to the American Civil War. 1899, the Philippine-American War begins. The Philippine-American War began after the U.S. took control of the Philippines following the Spanish-American War. The conflict lasted until 1902 as Filipino forces, led by Emilio Aguinaldo, fought against American colonial rule. 1967, the Six-Day War begins. Israel launched a preemptive strike against Egypt, Syria, and Jordan, starting the Six-Day War. This conflict had significant geopolitical consequences, leading to Israel's territorial expansion and shaping the Middle East political landscape for decades. 1992, the European Union is formed. The Maastricht Treaty, signed on March 6, 1992, established the European Union (EU), a political and economic union that aimed to foster integration and cooperation among European nations. This treaty laid the foundation for the euro currency and expanded European cooperation.